Windows play a vital role in the overall comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. For homeowners in Dallas, the unique climate presents specific challenges that can take a toll on your windows over time. From sweltering summers to occasional ice storms, the fluctuating weather conditions can accelerate wear and tear. But how do you know when it's time to replace your windows? Here are the key signs that your Dallas home might be due for a window upgrade. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is the presence of drafts or air leaks. If you feel a breeze coming through closed windows, it's a clear indicator that the seals have failed. Drafty windows can make your home uncomfortable and force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. In a city like Dallas, where summers can be brutally hot, having properly sealed windows is essential for maintaining a cool and energy-efficient home. Increased energy bill. Speaking of energy efficiency, rising utility bills are often a sign that your windows are no longer performing as they should. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, lack the insulation needed to keep your home's temperature regulated. Modern energy-efficient windows, often with double or triple panes and low emissivity, low-E, coatings, can dramatically reduce your energy costs. If you notice a spike in your electricity bill, it might be time to consider upgrading your windows. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, it could be due to warped frames, rusted hardware, or swelling caused by Dallas's humidity. Besides being inconvenient, this issue can also pose a safety risk in case of emergencies. Upgrading to new, easy-to-operate windows ensures both functionality and peace of mind. Condensation between glass panes. Have you noticed fogging or condensation trapped between the glass panes of your windows? This is a sign that the seals on your double or triple pane windows have failed. When this happens, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency and leaving your home vulnerable to temperature fluctuations. Replacement is the only way to restore the insulation and clarity of your windows. Visible damage or decay. In Dallas, windows are exposed to intense sunlight, strong winds, and occasional storms. Over time, these conditions can cause visible damage such as cracks, warping, or rot in wooden frames. Broken glass, chipped paint, or deteriorated weather stripping are all signs that your windows are past their prime. Damaged windows not only detract from your home's curb appeal but can also compromise its security and energy efficiency. Excessive noise pollution. And living in a bustling city like Dallas means dealing with traffic, construction, and other urban noises. If you can hear every car horn and passing conversation even with your windows closed, it's a sign that they're not providing adequate sound insulation. Modern windows with multiple panes and advanced insulating technology can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Outdated style. While functionality is crucial, the aesthetic value of your windows shouldn't be overlooked. Outdated or mismatched windows can drag down the overall look of your home. If you're planning to sell your property or simply want to enhance its curb appeal, replacing old windows with modern, stylish options can make a big difference. Consider energy-efficient windows with sleek designs that complement your home's architecture. Water damage or leaks, water stains, peeling paint, or mold around your windows indicate moisture infiltration. In Dallas, heavy rains can exacerbate this problem, leading to further damage to your walls, floors, and even the structural integrity of your home. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows with proper seals can protect your home from water-related issues. Why replacing your windows is worth it? Replacing your windows might seem like a significant investment, but the benefits far outweigh the initial cost. New windows enhance your home's energy efficiency, reduce noise, improve comfort, and boost its value. For Dallas homeowners, choosing windows designed to withstand the local climate ensures long-term performance and durability. When selecting replacement windows, look for energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and durable frames. Consider partnering with a reputable window installation company that understands the specific needs of Dallas homes. They can help you choose the right style and materials to complement your home while maximizing functionality. Final thoughts. Don't wait for small issues to turn into costly repairs. If you've noticed drafts, rising energy bills, or visible damage to your windows, it's time to take action. Upgrading your windows not only improves your home's efficiency and comfort but also adds value and beauty. For homeowners in Dallas, staying proactive about window replacement is key to maintaining a functional and stylish home that can handle the demands of the local climate.